If you want Chrome to open your favorite website every time you click the Home button, this tutorial is going to show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Setting your Chrome homepage is a quick way to save time and make your browser feel more personal, whether you want Google, YouTube, your company site, or any other page you use often. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this one. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon. Click that menu to open Chrome's main settings options. From the drop-down, select Settings. When the Settings page opens, look at the menu on the left side and click Appearance. This is where Chrome lets you customize how the browser looks and behaves. Inside the Appearance section, find the option called Show Home button. If it's turned off, switch it on. As soon as you enable it, Chrome will display a Home button in the top left area of the browser, near the address bar. Now that the Home button is enabled, you'll see two choices underneath it. You can either use the New Tab page, or you can select Enter Custom Web Address. Choose Enter Custom Web Address, because that's what lets you set a specific home page of your choice. In the box that appears, type the website you want Chrome to open when you click the Home button. For example, you can enter google.com, youtube.com, or any website you prefer. If you want, you can also type the full link for a more specific page. After entering the address, Chrome will save it automatically. Now test it out. Go back to your browser window and click the Home button. You should see Chrome open the page you selected. That means your home page has been set correctly and you're ready to use it anytime you want quick access to that site. This is especially useful if you visit the same website every day and want a faster way to get there without typing the address again and again. It only takes a minute to set up, but it can save you time every single day. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple browser tips, software guides, and step-by-step how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.